Hello friends, welcome to all. Hello friends, welcome to all. I am Dr. R. Shankar Ganesh, Associate Professor, working in the Department of Automobile Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, I will discuss about the topic Vapor Compression Refrigeration System. Right? Shortly, VCR. Vapor Compression Refrigeration System. Main component of the vapor compression refrigeration system, the first one is compressor, second one condenser, third one expansion valve or capillary tube, fourth one is evaporator. These four components is very important component in vapor compressor refrigeration system. It is the block diagram of vapor compression refrigeration system. The first component, compressor, right? It is the process 1 to 2 compressor, right? Second component 2 to 3, second component or next process 2 to 3, it is for condenser, right? Third one, expansion valve, process 3 to 4, process 3 to 4, expansion valve. Okay, the next one is 4 to 1, 4 to process, right? 4 to 1, the process is called evaporator, evaporation process. Okay, these are all the process, 4 process, compression and condensation and evaporation and also evaporator, right? Expansion, evaporation. These 4 processes are done in the system. Okay, the first process, vapor compression, right? So vapor is compressed. Okay. The process is 1 to 2 compressor, right? So compressor, entry of the refrigerant status, low pressure, low temperature vapor, right? Low pressure, low temperature vapor is entered into the compressor. Okay, the compressor is for the reciprocating type of compressor. Okay, piston cylinder arrangement. Okay, right? So it is the compressor process. It is reducing the volume process. Okay, so volume is reduced means automatically pressure is increased. Okay, so outlet of the compressor, right? High pressure, high temperature vapor comes out. Because of the reason pressure is increased, because of the compressor is compressed, refrigerant is compressed. So automatically compress means volume is reduced, pressure is increased, right? Okay, so pressure is increased means the pressure is directly proportional to temperature. Okay, so automatically the high pressure means automatically temperature also increased. So outlet of the compressor is high pressure, high temperature vapor. Okay, it is the process 1, compressor, right? So next one, it is the process 2 to 3, right? Second process 2 to 3, condenser, right? It is condensing process. First process 1 to 2 compressor, second process 2 to 3 condenser. condenser means heat removal process. Okay, so heat removal means refrigerant latent heat is removed, right? Heat removal process. Okay, condenser consists of pipe in which the refrigerant gives its latent heat to the cooling medium. Therefore, vapor refrigerant gets condensed in condenser, so that vapor refrigerant is converted into liquid state. Okay, so initially entry is vapor. Before that, condenser entry is vapor. Heat is removed, latent heat is removed from the refrigerant. So outlet, right? Heat removed means vapor is converted to liquid. Okay, so outlet high pressure, high temperature liquid. Okay, because of the reason condenser is heat is removed. Okay, the device is removed the heat, right? It is second process. Okay, so next third process, it is for the process 3 to 4. 3 to 4, it is third process. It is for expansion valve. Here we are using expansion valve or throttling device, capillary tube, right? Capillary tube or expansion valve. Okay, right? The expansion valve means the suddenly volume is increased. Okay, suddenly volume increases process. Suddenly volume increase means the high pressure refrigerant suddenly the pressure is reduced. Because of volume increases means pressure is reduced, right? That is the process, third process, expansion process. So the high pressure, high temperature liquid is expanded in expansion valve. So the liquid temperature and pressure is reduced. So that is outlet of the expansion valve, low pressure, low temperature liquid, right? Low pressure, low temperature liquid is comes out from the expansion valve, right? So next process 4 to 1, right? It is the process is evaporation process. That is for evaporator. Evaporator means that is the record space cooling area. That is called as freezing compartment, right? Okay, so which space we need for cool, that is the evaporation area. Okay, so that area the refrigerant is very low temperature, so freezing compartment is high temperature. Compared to freezing compartment, for example water, if you put it in water, it is high temperature. Refrigerant low temperature, temperature difference. Okay, the heat is flow from high temperature to low temperature, so automatically the refrigerant heat is absorbed, right? It is absorbed from the record cooling space, so automatically the refrigerant heat is absorbed, so the liquid is again converted to vapor, right? Low pressure, low temperature, vapor. Liquid, entry is liquid, heat is absorbed, latent heat is absorbed, so liquid is converted to vapor. That is the process for 4 to 1, right? So again the process continue 1 to 2 is again the refrigerant low pressure, low temperature vapor is entered into the compressor. It is compressed. So compressed means high pressure, high temperature vapor. It is entered into the condenser. Condenser, it is heat removed to atmosphere. Again vapor is converted to liquid. Liquid is passing to expansion valve, right? So expansion valve, so that the low pressure, low temperature liquid is comes out from the expansion valve. It is passing to evaporator. So evaporator, heat is absorbed, refrigerant is absorbed the heat for record space or freezing compartment area, right? So again it will become converted, liquid is vapor, again recirculated for, again the process starts. It is cyclically it will be done, right? It is for the vapor compression refrigeration system working principle, right? So I'll go for the advantage, right? Advantages. The first one, COP is high, vapor compression refrigeration system. Coefficient of performance is high. It is smaller in size for the given capacity, right? Third one is running cost is low, right? So fourth one is it can be operated over large range of temperature, right? These are all the advantages. Disadvantages: initial cost is high, leakage of refrigerant is a major problem in the system. Leakage is the leakage of the refrigerant, that is the problem in this system. It is for the disadvantages. Okay, it is for the function of vapor compression refrigeration system working function. These are all advantages and disadvantages, right? Next one, it is for the animated video. It's moreover, it is for understanding purpose. I will play for this video, right? Animation video, right? Okay. So it is a compressor, condenser, it is an expansion valve, it is called as evaporator, right? So compressor, I will start from the compressor. It is for the piston cylinder arrangement, right? Okay. So the refrigerant, outlet of the refrigerant is entered into the condenser first, right? Then it is passing to expansion valve, then it is passing to evaporator, right? So low pressure, low temperature vapor is entered into the compressor. It will be converted high pressure, high temperature vapor, right? It is passing to condenser. The high pressure, high temperature vapor is entered into the condenser. It is one type of heat exchanger, right? So it will be converted, the vapor is converted to liquid because of the reason it is removed from the refrigerant. So low temperature, high pressure liquid is comes out. Okay. Right. So again, high pressure liquid is passing to expansion valve, right? It is one type of expansion valve, thermal expansion valve. Another one is like electronic expansion valve, right? See, the volume increases, suddenly volume increases, the high pressure is converted to low pressure. Okay, high pressure is converted to low pressure, low temperature, low temperature liquid. It is passing to evaporator. We know the evaporator, it is a required cooling space, that is freezing compartment area, right? So freezing compartment area, low temperature, low pressure liquid is passing to evaporator. The evaporator liquid refrigerant is very low temperature, so it is absorbed the heat from the evaporating area. So heat absorbed means liquid is converted to vapor, right? So high temperature, right? Slightly temperature it will be increased. High temperature, low pressure vapor, liquid is converted to vapor. Okay, again it is passing to compressor. Okay, the cycle is repeated. Okay, it is for the vapor compression refrigeration system working principle. So evaporator, so evaporator is heat absorbed, condenser is heat removed, right? It is the process. So evaporated area, right? So freezing area is heat is absorbed, the refrigerant is heat absorbed. The absorbed heat is removed by this area, that is for the condenser, it is removed to atmosphere. Okay, thank you very much.